Hello everyone, I'm Mara Benitez, Library Assistant at the Seguin Public Library. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Valentine rose wreath. If you've picked up a packet at our library, you have all that you need. If you're a visitor, then welcome. For this project, you'll need approximately 12 sheets of tissue paper. The ones used in this video are 15 inches by 20 inches. You'll also need a piece of cardboard cut into the shape of a heart. For this example, my heart is about 7 inches tall and the wreath is 2 inches wide. You'll also need scissors, glue, and a piece of ribbon for hanging. To get started, fold each of your pieces of tissue in half lengthwise. Then fold them again, dividing each piece into strips 3 to 4 inches wide. The wider the strip, the taller the roses. Cut these strips out, then fold them each lengthwise. Once you have all of your strips made, you're ready to wrap. To create a rose, loosely fold back the open edge of your folded strip and begin rolling in the edge. Once you have a small central section of your rose rolled, add a drop of glue to hold it in place. The top edge should continue to fold back slightly as you roll. This adds a rolled lip to your rose petals. Continue rolling loosely, folding the bottom of the strip in a bit and carefully wrapping the top around the center of your bud. Add a dot of glue every few inches to secure it. As you wrap, focus more on the tops of the petals being level than securing the bottom. We can fix that at the end. The central part of your rose should not be sticking out from the outer petals. If it does, carefully loosen your grip and adjust the center back into place. When you've finished wrapping, glue the end in place. Take the tops of the rose petals gently in the palm of your left hand. Add some glue to the inside of the bottom swirl of your rose. Carefully pinch the very edges of the rose in to seal up the bottom. This doesn't have to be perfect, since it'll be hidden on the base of your wreath. You should now have one fully formed rose. Continue this process until all of your roses are wrapped. Now it's time to glue. Begin carefully arranging and gluing your rosebuds into place. If you're using regular liquid glue, you might need to do this in sections, allowing the glue to dry a little before adding more buds. Once it's completely dry, it's ready for hanging. Glue your ribbon on the back. You can also customize this wreath if you like by adding additional ribbon or a quote in the middle celebrating the season of love. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out on our social media for more activities and crafting tips, tricks, and ideas.